It's that skating. I be wearing braids and I get just daily. Don't be not back, you know. Don't want me with ya. I ain't trying to hear it though. I try to hear it though. And if he knew ya, he would understand ya.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Stevie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 different ways to cuff your pants. Not only am I going to show you guys how to perform each cuff, I'm also just going to kind of run you guys through some things to keep in mind when performing each one, because although each cuff is fairly similar, in the same breath, each cuff, all the 5 that I'm going to be talking about in today's video, they all kind of serve a different purpose and they definitely give off different vibes. So with that being said, there's kind of some things to keep in mind when you're going to potentially do each cuff. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Before we get into that, if you could give this guy a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and after the video, be sure to drop me some love in the comments because I love hearing from you guys. And if you aren't already, be sure to follow me on all my other social media platforms. It's just my name. I'll throw it up on the screen somewhere. Going back into today's video, we got 5 cuffs. I'm going to talk about each one, what type of pant you need for that specific cuff, and just kind of some things to keep in mind. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so the first type of cuff that I want to talk about is just the simple, everyday, standard one fold. I have a pair of just super simple black pants right here. These are just the I Love Ugly Smart pants. It's just a super classic pair of black pants. Let me take it off the hanger real quick. So with this type of cuff, as the name suggests, it's just the simple one fold, super easy to do. And the way that I like to do this is, if you guys take a pair of pants, you can kind of see at the bottom, it already kind of has stitching throughout, or it kind of has this made hem type of situation. So I just followed that guideline when doing the one fold. But if your pants don't have that seam, or it doesn't have like the stitching, essentially the one fold is about 1 to 1.5 inches. So just kind of measure that and then fold your pants up. I feel like the one fold is just the perfect everyday type of cuff for your pants. And with the one fold, I feel like it's the most easiest way to show off the type of sock that you're wearing. I really like doing this type of fold to my pants when I'm just, trying to create a really nice clean look, like nothing too crazy or nothing too out there, just something that will add kind of a little bit more visual interest to my fit. My top tip when doing the one fold is I would highly suggest you guys only do this with pants such as these ones right here. The one fold type of thing is meant to look very just simple and clean and almost like a sharp line cutting your ankle, so to speak. If you were to do it with jeans, it just wouldn't look nice. So that's why I'm suggesting these types of pants. It doesn't have to be this specific pair. I'm just talking about opting for just a really nice pair of pants, whether it be like a chino or just maybe a cotton twill type of pants that has that type of fabric. The one fold cuff is so great because it honestly looks really good with either shoes or boots. You can really never go wrong with this one. And yeah, like I said, it's just super simple to do. Just follow that seam along the bottom of the pant and just fold it up one time and you're good to go. So the second type of cuff that I want to talk about is something I like to call the two fold. I just have another pair of super simple pants from, again, I Love Ugly, but in a different color. And I feel like with the two fold, everything from what I said from the first fold still applies. If any of you guys are trying to achieve an even more cropped look, the two fold is going to be your fold. It's essentially the same as the one fold, but you just fold it up one more time. Hence the name being two-fold. But the reason why the two-fold is different from the one-fold, in my opinion, is because the two-fold can only be done with shoes. I don't know, for me personally, maybe it's just because I have long legs or something. I feel like if you do the two-fold with boots, like it just kind of looks funny. It kind of cuts your leg off just a little too much. The ratio from like the pant to the sock and the boot is just not a good look in my opinion. So that's kind of the only difference when it comes to the one-fold and the two-fold. And again, if any of you guys are trying to achieve an even more cropped look, if you're trying to catch a spring or summer vibe, I feel like the two-fold is definitely that cuff for those types of seasons. And I just really like the two-fold because it just kind of gives off this really nice, crisp and clean type of situation. And it just, again, it really allows the sock to shine through, and it really kind of gets this separation going from your shoe and your pant. So if any of you guys are wearing like a super sick shoe, I would highly suggest doing the two-fold because that's really gonna allow your shoe to really have its moment. So coming in at number 2 is the two-fold. This next cuff has most definitely 100% been my go-to favorite cuff as of late, and I'm calling it the one big cuff. So I just have a pair of really nice charcoal, almost washed black colored jeans from Zara, and I did the one big fold with these. So this is kind of what it looks like right here. And so for any of you guys are wondering, how do you do that one big fold? it's essentially what the name is suggesting. Imagine doing the one fold, right? But instead of stopping it and using kind of like that guideline of just like folding it within the seam, you just like pull it up even more. So everyone's one big fold is going to be different because again, everyone is not the same height. Everyone kind of likes different things. My one big fold honestly really depends on the kind of mood that I'm in. Sometimes I'll be pulling that shit up all the way, fam, honestly. Again, it's all relative, so you just have to kind of finesse it and play around. I really like doing the one big cuff with pretty much anything. I do it with boots, I do it with sneakers. I just really like the one big cuff because I don't know, to me, it just gives off this super, almost high fashion vibe, and it just really creates this nice, interesting visual detail. So just imagine like this simple fit, and then if you were to see your jeans, it being a nice pair of jeans, and then just having that one big cuff, it's like something different in my opinion, but it doesn't do too much at the same time, which is essentially my type of style. I definitely like having a nice simple drip, but I kind of always want that one something that's making it different. So I feel like the one big cuff is that for me. As mentioned, you can do the one big cuff with almost any type of pant. My go-to is just a really nice pair of denim pants, especially if it's like a slim fit or a straight fit type of pant. But if you guys don't like denim, I've done it with chinos before and it looks just fine. I think the only suggestion that I have when doing the one big cuff is you can't do it with skinny jeans, or the jean or the pant itself just can't be too tight because otherwise it will just kind of look funny in my opinion. So just opt for kind of a laid back, slim, or even straight fit of pants and you should be good to go. And real quick, I want to mention that I didn't invent this whole one big cuff type of thing. The first person who I've seen it done by is another YouTuber. His name is Drew Scott. You guys probably already know who he is, but I'll be sure to leave his channel linked in the description box below because he does it really well too, and he's been doing it. So when I saw him do it, it kind of like inspired me to start doing it as well. So coming in at number 3 is the one big cuff, and then I'll be sure to leave Drew's channel linked in the description box below so you can kind of see how he does it as well. This next type of fold has also been my favorite as of late, and I'm going to be calling it the messy fold. So for the messy fold, I just have a simple, super cheap pair of H&M light wash denim jeans that I found on sale, and then I DIY'd them myself. So the way to do the messy roll is imagine doing the two fold but without following line. Just grab your pant, right? Like grab these denim jeans and then just roll them up. And that's just what it is. That's why I call it a messy roll, because with this one, it's super relative. Essentially what I'm trying to say is like, don't think about it too much and just roll your pants up. It doesn't have to be like nice and crisp and straight. This is kind of what this roll is about, letting the clothes kind of do its own thing and taking its own form. I really like this type of cuff when I'm trying to achieve kind of a more casual look, if I'm wearing something a little bit more laid back. My top tip when doing the messy roll is the messy roll should only be done with denim jeans, just because of the casual and laid back nature of denim jeans. When you think of denim jeans, you don't think of straight lines, or you don't think of, I don't know, just like things being crisp. When I think of denim, I think of something just more chill, more relaxed, and that's what this fold is, you know, like that's why it's called the messy fold. But don't get me wrong, you can go ahead and try and do whatever you want, but I'm just suggesting that for this fold, I would opt for just a really nice casual pair of denim jeans. Another thing that I wanted to mention is I feel like the messy fold only looks nice with sneakers, because again, I just don't think that the casual and messiness of a denim jean kind of paired with a more business-like or just more polished look of a boot, those two things put together, I don't think it would look nice unless the denim jeans is a darker color. So if it was a denim jean that's black, washed gray, even a nice darker gray, a dark gray denim jean with a messy fold with a really nice pair of black leather Chelsea boots, I feel you could definitely pull off that look. I just think when it comes to lighter wash denim jeans, I don't think you could do a lighter wash denim jean with a boot. But again, that's just my opinion. You can go ahead and do whatever you want. So coming in at number 4 is the messy fold. This last fold is not only a fold, it's kind of a hack within itself, and I'm calling it the tucked in fold. So in my hands, I just have a super simple pair of trousers from Uniqlo, and these are the epitome of the type of pants that I would do the tucked in fold with. So the way to do the tucked in fold is imagine the one fold, but instead of folding the pants out, you would fold them in. I would personally do this type of cuff if I'm trying to achieve a more cropped look with my trousers, or if I buy a trouser and I didn't have time to get it hemmed. This is a really quick and easy hack to kind of temporarily finesse that one specific garment without having to spend money to get it altered. With the tucked in fold, I think there's 2 things to keep in mind. So one being, I would only do this type of cuff with trousers, like suit trousers, just kind of more formal looking type of pants. pants. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention is I would only pair these with sneakers or low profile type of shoes like Dr. Martin loafers or something like that. But anyways, I just really like the tucked in fold because as I mentioned, it is a easy and fast way to temporarily alter your garments without having to spend additional money. And it just creates this really nice, smart, really clean and minimal look. So yeah, coming in at number 5 is the tucked in fold. All right, you guys, and that is it for how to cuff your pants slash how to roll your jeans. I know this video was kind of a random one, but a lot of you guys for some reason always ask me, oh, how do you cuff your jeans or how do you cuff your pants? And I never really honestly, like I never really understood. But now after making this video and replaying all the things that I was saying to you guys, I can now understand why you guys wanted this video. So hopefully it helped you guys and hopefully you guys kind of learned a little something today. And if you did, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and be sure to turn on like those little post notifications so you always know when I drop new content. And do me a favor real quick. As I'm looking at this rack and as I'm kind of like filming this video, I kind of was thinking about another video, and the video idea that I have in mind is like a trouser slash pant slash denim collection where I would just kind of try on all my pants for you guys and kind of talk you guys through each one. So let me know if you guys would kind of be down for like a pant collection video. Just drop a comment down below and let me know, and then I'll go ahead and make that video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.